Kitchen is the one of the attractive element of modern house, so it should be as attractive as possible. Presently, there are various kitchen cabinet finishes are available in market such as acrylic finish, membrane finish, laminate finish, stainless steel finish, etc. Acrylic finish and laminate finish are most popular option among all the finishes of kitchen cabinets. Visual appeal, pricing and durability are some of the most important aspects in which they differ from each other. To help you to choose correct kitchen cabinet finish that suit your kitchen aesthetics, it is important to understand the differences between acrylic finish and laminate finish. So, without further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to Nilsri, World of Civil Engineering. Aesthetic appeal. Acrylic finish gives the kitchen cabinet a look like they are painted in a glossy finish. They add a visual appeal to your kitchen. On the other hand, laminate kitchen cabinets are also available in glossy finish, but they are less reflective and less striking as compared to acrylic cabinet. Material. Acrylic is made up of polymer fibers. It is quite similar to lacquer finish. It gives a smooth, seamless, mirror-like appearance to kitchen cabinets. Polymer fiber is presently achieving importance in field of modular kitchen. However, laminate are made up of flat papers and plastic resins pressed together with the help of high-pressure automated machineries. The top layer is printed with color and decorative patterns. There are two categories of laminates. High-pressure laminates, they are used on plywood, and low-pressure laminate, they are used on MDF of particle boards. Durability. Acrylic finish retain their color and smooth gloss for long period of time. It does not lose its visual appeal for many decades, whereas laminates are also highly durable and can easily withstand wear and tear. Repairable. If the surface is cleaned using glass cleaning spray or product containing ammonia, then the fine scratches can appear on the cabinet, and also color of sheet keeps changing to yellow. On the other hand, laminate has tendency to remove from the material on which they are pasted, and once they are removed, then it cannot be repaired. The whole sheet needs to be replaced. Varieties and colors. Acrylic finishes are available in plenty of colors that are white and vibrant. They retain their color and gloss for long period of time, whereas laminate are present in wide range of colors and finishes, including wooden, glossy, matte, and ultra high gloss. They also come in many textures like wood, stone, etc. Maintenance. Acrylic finishes are scratch resistant and they do not delaminate, tarnish, or fade away. They always appear ultra glossy and flawlessly smooth. However, they need regular cleaning as dust, stains, and fingerprints marks are more visible on them. In comparison to acrylic finish, laminate finish is highly resistant to scratches and abrasion. Laminate are easy to maintain and can be easily cleaned by regular wiping. Cost. Acrylic finish cabinets are more expensive when compared to laminates. The rate of acrylic finish starts from Rs 1500 per square feet. Laminate finish are very cost effective and budget friendly compared to acrylic finish. The rate of laminate finishes starts from Rs 800 per square feet. Now, to conclude which one is best, acrylic finish or laminate finish? Well, it all depends on aesthetics you prefer and your budget. Nowadays, there is trending combination of both acrylic and laminate finish in modular kitchen. Acrylic finish is preferred to be used for upper cabinets for their glossy and attractive look. Moreover, light tends to highlight them. Lower cabinets can be made of laminate finish due to its continuous use, as they are highly durable and has good resistance to wear and tear. So, I have tried to explain differences between acrylic finish and laminate finish. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and share with one who is in need of it. For more such videos, just click on subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you won't miss any new video. Finally, thanks for watching.